English to Malay future. I will go.
Saya akan pergi.
Welcome to Synapse Lingo. Hey you, great to have you here. This podcast is brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Grab more tools at www.synapse-lingo.com. Today we're going to lock in Malay future phrases like
Saya akan pergi. Akan pergi. Dia akan pergi. Ia akan berfungsi. Kita akan pergi. Kamu semua akan pergi.
and
Mereka akan pergi.
stay with me, speak out loud, and laugh at my jokes, even if they only work in the future. Your goal today. You'll say future plans naturally and confidently. Formula time. Subject plus
Akan.
verb. Example. I will go equals.
Saya akan pergi.
Think of
Akan
as your bright green future sticker and
pergi.
as your go engine. Stick it, start it, go. Call and response. Say it with me. Echo me out loud, your neighbors will be impressed. I will go.
Saya akan pergi.
You, singular, will go, base phrase.
Akan pergi.
Full version.
Kamu akan pergi.
He will go.
Dia akan pergi.
She will go.
Dia akan pergi.
It will work.
Ia akan berfungsi.
We will go.
Kita akan pergi.
You all will go.
Kamu semua akan pergi.
They will go.
Mereka akan pergi.
Mini dialogue. The plan. Listen to the scene and repeat the Malay lines. Guide. Tomorrow at 7, we will leave. In Malay.
Besok pukul 7 kita akan pergi.
You. Perfect, I will go with you.
Bagus, saya akan pergi.
Friend. He says he will go too.
Dia akan pergi.
Juga. Techie. But the ticket app froze, don't worry.
Ia akan berfungsi.
Guide. At 8:30, you all will go to the platform, okay?
Pada pukul 8.30 kamu semua akan pergi.
K platform, yeah? You, and they will go after us, right?
Mereka akan pergi.
Selepas kami? Transformation drill. I'll say English, you fire back in Malay. Ready? I will go, answer.
Saya akan pergi.
They will go, answer.
Mereka akan pergi.
You, all, will go, answer.
Kamu semua akan pergi.
He will go, answer.
Dia akan pergi.
It will work, answer.
Ia akan berfungsi.
We will go, answer.
Kita akan pergi.
You, singular, will go. Say the base phrase clearly.
Akan pergi.
Or full.
Kamu akan pergi.
Closing parenthesis dot. Quick quiz. Short and sweet, answer out loud, then I'll confirm. Q1. How do you say, it will work? A.
Ia akan berfungsi.
Q2. Translate, they will go. A.
Mereka akan pergi.
Q3. Say, you all will go. A.
Kamu semua akan pergi.
Q4. The base phrase for, will go, no subject. A.
Akan pergi.
Q5. She will go. A.
Dia akan pergi.
Culture and clarity. A tiny tip saves a big headache.
Here
means, we, including the listener, useful in plans like.
kita akan pergi.
Formal versus friendly, you might hear.
Anda,
For formal, you, but with friends.
Vel,
Is common. For groups.
kamu semua
Fun warning.
akan
Will, is not.
makan.
Eat, unless your plan is, we will go eat, which is.
Kita akan pergi makan.
Yum. Speed challenge. Deep breath. Say each one faster than me.
Saya akan pergi. Akan pergi. Dia akan pergi. Ia akan berfungsi. Kita akan pergi. Kamu semua akan pergi. Mereka akan pergi.
Final combo. Say them all in one breath, go. Nice. Wrap up and thanks. You did great, future you is proud of present you. Today you mastered.
Saya akan pergi. Akan pergi. Dia akan pergi. Ia akan berfungsi. Kita akan pergi. Kamu semua akan pergi.
And.
Mereka akan pergi.
Thanks for listening. Keep practicing a little every day, and visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more lessons, drills, and laughs. This show is brought to you by Synapse Lingo. See you next time.